No! No! Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday,
Ezekiel.
yay!
There it is.
One more thing.
Oh, I finally tried Impossible Foods.
That was a good catch! Hey.
Come on, let's go.
Oh.
No, go lay down. Look what you did. Yeah.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama. I'm dinner so horny I could fuck a dog.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Got your ass.
Wait.
I got it on video.
I got it on film. Be careful, Jess. Oh, okay. Oh, no, no.
Flip it around. What the? Bro, what?
He won't let me sleep.
Hey, what the?
Oh, sorry, I didn't want to wake you, boy. Benjamin!
It turns out fat girl got stuck in a hole.
Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Come here, Bubba. Come on. Ooh.
Okay, alright, yeah.
How'd you get in there? Come here, I gotta deliver it back. Since you took it from me? No. No. Oh, I'm so fired.
You gonna sit over there now?
No, you don't talk to me like that. Stop it.
One more thing.
If anyone out there is thinking about getting a Chihuahua, I would just like to say they are the
Oh my God, no!
I know you. No, come on, bud. Rousey.
Why do you sit like that?
You show the
He
sky
looks
what?
ginormous next to you right now. Oh my God.
This is a reasonable spot for you to be.
You bitch. Bitch.
How come Styles gets to grab your teta, but I can't? Look at this.
He's so annoying.
Look at you. Bad girl. Oh. He's such a spaz.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Demilamano. Demilamano.
I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
Will you be my Valentine? What?
World Championship season is
Wait. What is it?
Gun, who's that?
Move your nose.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Want me to throw it?
Hey, behave.
Let him wear his sweater. It's cold.
Careful.
What are you doing? That is not yours.
Okay, Pete, come
Wrigley.
here.
I want to be really clear here. His stepfather is a very good man.
Sammy, did you steal the baby's binky?
My spot. Get on.
You me.
Hands up!
He looks that big on there, doesn't he? His head look big.